In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ratio chart in Tradingview. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process with clear instructions and helpful tips. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Tradingview in your web browser. Tradingview is a powerful platform for traders, offering a wide range of tools and charts to help analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. Once you're on the home page, look for the Super Charts option. This part of Tradingview is where most of the magic happens, providing you with all the tools you need to craft and study your ratio charts. Now that you're in the Super Charts area, the next step is all about setting up the right environment for analysis. Look for and click on the Indicators tab. This simple yet essential feature allows you to add various indicators that are critical for technical analysis. Indicators help interpret the price patterns and trading volumes, offering insights that might not be immediately visible through price action alone. Next, you'll want to search for the relative volume index. This indicator is particularly beneficial when it comes to understanding the trading volume in comparison to previous trading volumes over a certain period. By doing so, it provides an insight into whether the current volume is higher or lower, giving you a better grasp of trading dynamics and potential shifts in trends. Once you've located the relative volume index in the list, click on it to add it to your chart. As the relative volume index appears on your screen, it's time to focus on interpretation. The key is to look at the levels it shows compared to the historical average volumes. If the index suggests higher relative volumes, it might indicate stronger conviction behind the current price movement, whether it's upward or downward. On the other hand, lower relative volumes can suggest a lack of conviction, which typically calls for caution. While these steps are straightforward, remember that analysis can be an art form. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with how these indicators behave under different market conditions. This will not only boost your confidence, but also enhance your ability to make quick, informed decisions during trading sessions. That's it for today's tutorial on using the ratio chart in Tradingview. Give yourself time to practice these steps and explore the different features Tradingview has to offer. With practice, you'll become more comfortable and efficient in navigating and utilizing Tradingview for your trading needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.